Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got something in this box right here. It's going to be pretty interesting. This comes from GOOZEEZOO, and what it is a whole bunch of goodies. No, what it is a loop antenna. There it is. Loop antenna with a loop amplifier. You have to provide your own power supply for this amplifier, and I'll show you all the goodies it gives you. Gives you this carrying pouch. I don't know what you could put in here. I don't know. Anyway, let's see what we got here. All kinds of goodies. And let's just pour these out here. All right. Here is the amplifier, RF amplifier. You have to supply your own power supply. Luckily, I think I got one. I'll put that aside. This is the top of the loop with some switches. Now, let me go back to the diagram. Those switches allow you to configure the loop into 3 possible configurations: the Mobius loop, the electrostatic shield magnetic loop, I'll get that in a minute, and the magnetic field loop mode. And we're going to test each of those configuration and see what does the best for us. You have a switch down here and the 3 switches up there. So there's the top part of the loop. Get my big finger out of the way. And this is the bottom of the loop with a gizmo right there. And these are stick-ons so that you can stick the loop like on a window, stick these to the window, hang the loop on these little things right here, and you're good to go. Now the electronics here are not sealed. So this is an indoor antenna. Or you could take it outdoors and do some listing and then bring it right back in. All right, what do we got? We got this little gizmo. I believe that's so that you can plug it into a radio that has this type of external antenna connector. Ooh, there's another cable. Well, they give you a lot of cables. Now, I'm not sure what this is, because this, I think, the same thing, except it's got some wire. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. That's the fun part of these kits. Here is a long piece of coax to come down to the amplifier and to your radio. Here's a short one that goes from the amplifier to your radio. And here are the 2 loops. And we've got to put all this together. And it's pretty simple, but that's all. No, that's it. That's the manual. Just tells you how to put it together. So we'll be doing that, and then we'll be testing it. I've got to figure out a good place to put it. Preferably, if you're going to have it indoors, you'd like to have it by a window. And that's why they give you these things, so you can hang it up in your window. So we're going to see how this goes. I have a good feeling that this is going to work pretty cool, especially with electronics here and an amplifier. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.